Hola mga kapatid! Eto pinakilala na po ng Signal at MQuest Ventures ang official entry for the 2025 Metro Manila Film Festival. Cast pa lang po, pasabog na! At para po bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho.
Ilang araw na lang, bare months na. That means MMFF na. Ano naman kayang ihahain ng MQuest Ventures at Signal para dyan? Nandito na ang Manila's finest with their finest ensemble cast para sa 51st Metro Manila Film Festival. Full force ang cast ng official MMFF entry ng MQuest Ventures at Signal sa Storycon and table reading nila nitong Sabado. Directed by Ray Red, pagbibidahan ni Piolo Pascual ang crime drama film bilang si Lieutenant Homer Magtibay.
So it's fictionalized, but you know, there was a time that there was a group that was called Manila's Finest that was known nationwide. So just to, inspire our people or our audience to realize and also make them feel that, hindi lahat ng police corrupt or hindi lahat ng tao bad.
Balik big screen din dito si Rica Peralejo at isa raw si Papa P sa nagpa-yes sa kanya.
One is that I know that when TJ makes movies, it's always
correct.
Kumbaga quality film siya. Magandang material to.
And it's another MMFF film in the bag for Cedric Juan.
I think very important na talaga maalala natin ulit so that we could learn from it. And syempre, nandiyan na naman yung sobrang privilege and also honored then to be with one of the finest din ng mga actors sa atin dito sa Pilipinas.
Wow.
Hindi rin papahuli ang Gen Z actors.
Grabe, ang sarap lang na i-represent din yung Philippines, 'di ba? As an entry din.
And hanggang ngayon, parang hindi pa rin siya nagsisink in sa akin. And mas nagulat talaga ako yung entrance ko kanina. Nagulat ako, ang daming...
Kukumpleto sa cast si Enrique Hill, Ariel Rivera, Joey Marquez, Jasmine Curtis Smith, Romnick Sarmenta, Soliman Cruz, Kiko Estrada, Paulo Angeles, Inday Fatima, Ethan David at Pearl Gonzalez. Pati si Signal TV at MQuest Ventures Chairman Manny V. Pangilinan, hindi nagpahuli sa table reading.
It's an absolutely wonderful cast, right? Some of the best talents in Philippine cinema. And it's not a subject matter that's, I think, easy to treat. So I hope I wish them well, no? And
Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.